Managing the tickets in bulk in Zendesk support tool is really tough job. You need to open the tickets manually one by one. There is no option to edit the tickets in bulk. If you want to edit the information of every ticket, you need to open the ticket one by one like this. You need to enter some information over here, and you want to add some tag. You can add tags, you can change the type of the ticket, you can set the priority, or even you can close the ticket as submitted solved. One by one, if you do this thing, this will take a long time. So we need to have some kind of application which can help us. So we have one application which is called Bulk Data Manager. So what I'll do that I'll simply go to the Zendesk marketplace. So I can try to search for Bulk Data Manager. You need to click on this application and you need to buy this application. This application comes with 7 days of trial. So yes, if you don't like the application, there would be no charge. Yes, initially you need to enter the card details. Once you buy it, this application will be installed in your Zendesk support tool directly. So this is the link of my Zendesk account. You will have yours over here. Once you click on this, you need to click on install and your application will be installed directly into your Zendesk support tool. I have installed the application over here and it looks like this. I need to click on Bulk Data Manager and you will have the same icon in your support tool. These are the tickets which we have here, and the same information will be loaded to this application. We have first column of ticket ID, second column for name, phone number, email address, and subject. So we have other tabs as well, or other columns as well. So in case if you don't want this ticket ID, you can send it somewhere else. So let's say if I want the name column should be at the first position, I'll click on name, and I want the second column as a phone number, so I'll send this phone number from here to here. So first column is name now, and the second column is phone number. And if in case if you want the email address as the third column, you can click on this small icon which will bring this column to the left side. These small icons will be used to shift this column to the left or right position. If you click on this small icon, which will bring this entire column to the first position like this. So yes, I have the email address in the first position, but I don't want that. I want the email address to be on the third position, so I'll bring this column on the third position. So let me check if every information is correct. So let's say if I have the ticket number 7, okay, I'll try to open the ticket number 7 over here. Okay, so you see the ticket username is Lavaza. This is the ticket number, and we need to edit the information from this tool. So ticket number 7 is here, and I also like to inform you one thing, that the columns which are grayed out, we cannot edit through this application, like the phone number and the email address, and these both the columns, both the information are restricted by Zendesk. Okay, so if you talk about 7 number ticket, subject line is how to drink coffee. Here notice the tags is nothing, types is also blank, priority is also blank. There is no text in this description box. So I'm going to edit this ticket from this application. I'll change this ticket to pending. I'll go here and ticket, the status is changed to pending. I'll come back over here, I'll try to click on open, and I'll see it's open. Now I'll try to change the text, how to drink coffee with a rusk. Okay, now we'll go with the ticket and information will be changed with rusk. In the similar way, we can change the information like type to like incident, and the information will be coming here as incident. You see, if you want to add some text in the description box here, you need to type something like how to make tea. I'll simply click on submit. This is the only information which we need to type, and then click on submit. As soon as if I hit submit, okay, the information is submitted over here. You see how to make tea. So this way we can edit the information of every ticket or any ticket. We can edit or change any information in any ticket from here in bulk. If you want to delete any ticket, so you can select any ticket, you can click on this red icon. So let me select this ticket and I want to delete this ticket. You can click on this and then this will be deleted like this. So the Tinu ticket is gone. Alright, one more thing I want to show you, that if you really want to sort the information, let's say you want to sort the information like this way. So first of all, the tickets would be on descending order. If you want to change this row as ascending order, you can click on this and this will be under ascending order. This is how we change the information of each and every ticket in bulk in Zendesk support tool using bulk data manager by Hexerve solutions. Thank you.